don't even work. They're junky.
This one simple change made our space feel so much bigger.
One of the worst things in our trailer is these curtains. They feel like there's something in a hospital or an office, like office dividers. They're so flimsy. Seriously, they don't even work. They're junky. And then when you're in here with the kids, they get all tangled up like this, and then you can never get them back closed. They gotta go. I hate them.
We don't get a lot of time together camping in our trailers. When we actually get away, I want to truly enjoy every second of it. For me, that means starting with the perfect space. So we're going to get this ugly thing out of here and put something else up that is so much more functional and makes the space feel cozy and big.
That's better. It's also really cold in here. We're getting ready to winterize our trailer too. But we have a big trip planned next summer. So I want to do as much of getting this trailer ready before next spring. Down here too. Woohoo! Get this stupid thing out of here. Ugh. Installation guide. There's already a line here. Another set of hands. Maybe that'll hold for a second. Oh, yeah. Now,
I put half the track up and then I measured and cut the second piece of track with a hacksaw. It was really easy to cut, by the way. But then I had to join them together. They had a part for that. It was really easy to put them together. But next time I would probably just recommend putting the two track pieces together and then installing it as one. An extra set of hands would also be really helpful. But as you can see, I did figure it out by using tape to tape the track in place. And then I put the curtain hooks on. They roll so smoothly, which is really nice. Just make sure to count how many you need based on your curtain size and how many holes there are in your curtain.
Those slide nice. Goes back here. I'm so impressed with how good this matches. It matches this counter. It matches the flooring. It's good. You can fold each
Here's a quick reminder of the before.
I cannot believe how much better this looks already. And it works so much better. Look at it. Like, so good. Purposely did not want the curtain touching the ground because it is a travel trailer and I didn't want it getting super dirty. So I love that it sits just above the ground.
But you can get your curtains any height that you want because these were a custom order. I got to pick the fabric, I got to pick the size and the length of the rod, and EverTrack made the process so easy. I'll link them below if you want to check it out to upgrade your space into something cozy and luxurious. And if you want to know how we got this beautiful green color in our master bedroom, click this video here for the full bedroom makeover.